Made it to Quito. This is the view from our room. And this is our room. Wow. Here's our bathroom. Look at this. This is insane.
Con amor hoy yo quiero cantar, sí señor, a mi lindo Ecuador. Con amor siempre debes decir, por donde quiera que tú estés, ecuatoriano soy. Y mañana recordarás todo ese inmenso cielo azul que un día cobijó. Ese amor que tienes aquí y te hará regresar al fin a tu lindo Ecuador.
Hi, good morning. It is currently 3 a.m. and we spent all day yesterday in Quito, and now we are catching our flight to the Galapagos, which is going to be so fun. And we're heading to the airport right now, and I'm very tired. We just landed in the Galapagos. Here is our room. Got our beds, and then in here, this is our bathroom. Very windy, but it is our first day at the Galapagos and we are currently going on a hike around the island. Good morning. It is currently 6:30 a.m. on Thursday. Yesterday we arrived in the Galapagos. We got our flight at 3 a.m. and then we flew here, and then we had a full day on one island, so it's been super busy. Slept great last night, and now today we have another full day. We're going to visit an island in the morning, and then I think we're going to do some shopping, and then in the afternoon we are either going snorkeling or on a glass bottom boat. So I'll take you along with me. At the northeast side of San Cristobal. This is the view. There's Lindy hiding. And we're going on a hike. Thank you. NASCAR boogie. So today we went on a hike on Española Island and now we are going on a walk on the beach for sunset.